Ken Martin's journey from a young political enthusiast to the chairman of the Democratic National Committee, DNC, is a story of dedication, perseverance, and strategic acumen. Ken Martin, born on July 17, 1973, in Minneapolis, Minnesota, Ken's early life was rooted in the values of hard work and community service. His parents instilled in him the importance of civic engagement, a lesson that would shape his future endeavors. Growing up in Minneapolis, Ken attended Eden Prairie High School, where he first displayed a keen interest in politics. His passion led him to the University of Kansas, where he pursued Bachelor of Arts degrees in political science and history, graduating in 1996. During his time at the university, Ken was deeply involved in student government and various campus activities, earning recognition for his contributions to student life. In 1990, while still in high school, Ken's political journey began when he volunteered for U.S. Senator Paul Wellstone's campaign. This experience ignited his passion for grassroots organizing and the power of collective action. 2 years later, in 1992, he expanded his horizons by organizing college campuses across the southern United States for the Clinton/Gore campaign, honing his skills in mobilizing young voters. After completing his education, Ken returned to Minnesota in 1998, taking on the role of political and field director for the Minnesota Democratic Farmer Labor (DFL) Party. His strategic insights and organizational skills quickly became evident. In 2000, he served as the deputy Minnesota state director for Al Gore's presidential campaign, further solidifying his reputation as a capable political strategist. Ken's career continued to ascend as he managed various campaigns, including serving as campaign manager for Secretary of State candidate Buck Humphrey in 2002 and assisting with John Kerry's presidential campaign in Minnesota in 2004. Between 2001 and 2005, he worked as a policy aide for Ramsey County Commissioner Susan Hay, gaining valuable experience in public policy and governance. One of Ken's notable achievements was leading the campaign for the Clean Water, Land, and Legacy Amendment in 2008. This significant amendment to the Minnesota Constitution aimed to protect the state's natural resources, reflecting Ken's commitment to environmental conservation and sustainable development. In 2011, Ken was unanimously elected as the chairman of the Minnesota DFL Party. Under his leadership, the party experienced unprecedented success, winning every statewide election and securing 2 trifectas, a testament to his effective leadership and strategic planning. His tenure as chairman marked the longest in the party's 75-year history, highlighting his enduring impact on Minnesota politics. Ken's success in Minnesota garnered national attention. In 2017, he was elected president of the Association of State Democratic Committees, subsequently becoming a vice chair of the DNC. His peers recognized his ability to strengthen party infrastructure and foster unity across diverse constituencies. Following the 2024 presidential election, Ken announced his candidacy for DNC chair. His vision emphasized the need for a comprehensive narrative and branding strategy to rejuvenate the party's image and connect with a broader electorate. On February 1, 2025, he was elected as the chairman of the DNC, receiving 246.5 votes out of 428 cast on the first ballot, a clear indication of the confidence the party placed in his leadership. Beyond his political endeavors, Ken is a dedicated family man. He resides in Eagan, Minnesota, with his wife, Jennifer O'Rourke, and their 2 sons. Active in his local community, Ken has served on the Eagan Athletic Association's board of directors and as president of the Eagan Basketball Association, reflecting his commitment to fostering youth development and community engagement. As chairman of the DNC, Ken Martin envisions a party that is inclusive, forward-thinking, and deeply connected to the needs and aspirations of all Americans. His journey from a young volunteer to a national leader exemplifies the impact of dedication, strategic vision, and a commitment to public service. Under his leadership, the Democratic Party aims to build a resilient and dynamic future, grounded in the principles of equity, justice, and opportunity for all. Ken Martin's story is a testament to the power of grassroots activism and the importance of steadfast dedication to one's principles. His life's work serves as an inspiration to aspiring leaders and underscores the profound impact that committed individuals can have on the political landscape. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible stories like this.